WorldRemit payment pending too long. Fix. Has your WorldRemit payment been stuck on pending for too long? This usually happens due to verification or processing delays. Follow these steps to fix it. Step 1. Check status updates. Open the WorldRemit app and go to your transfer history. Check if there are any status updates or messages requesting additional information. Step 2. Contact the recipient. Ask the recipient if they received an SMS or email from WorldRemit. They may need to confirm their details before the payment can be completed. Step 3. Cancel and retry the payment. If the payment has been pending for an extended time with no progress, cancel the transfer and send it again. Make sure all details are correct before resending. Step 4. Contact WorldRemit support. If the issue continues, contact WorldRemit support through live chat or phone. They can check for security reviews or processing holds. After following these steps, your WorldRemit payment should be completed successfully. Always double check recipient details to avoid delays.